Let's begin with water, a clear liquid we drink. I drink water every morning. Next is chair, something to sit on. She sat on the chair. We have a book, which consists of pages we read. This book is very interesting. Then there's a pen, a tool for writing. I write with a blue pen. Next, we have a phone, used for calling or texting. I talk to my mother on the phone. A bag is used to carry things. My school bag is heavy. A fan cools the room. The fan is spinning fast. A bed is used for sleeping. I sleep on my bed at night. A clock tells the time. There's a clock on the wall. A door is an entry or exit to a room. Open the door, please. A spoon is used to eat. She ate soup with a spoon. Light makes things visible. Turn on the light. A table has a flat surface for work or meals. We had lunch at the table. A shirt is a type of clothing. His shirt is blue. Shoes are worn on feet. I bought new shoes. A car is a vehicle. My father drives a car. The road is a path for vehicles. The road is empty. A window is an opening in a wall. Please close the window. Television is for watching programs. We watched cartoons on television. Lastly, we revisit a chair for sitting. Grandma sat on the chair.